What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we'll be making oatmeal breakfast cookies. Yes guys, I said it, cookies for breakfast. Let's do this. So here I have 2 bananas. I have 2 large bananas and I'm just going to peel these and smash them. We don't want to smash them too smooth. We want to have little bits of banana chunks in this. So we're just going to smash them into a semi-smooth consistency. Now that our banana is nice and mashed, we're going to go in with some peanut butter. And guys, if you don't like peanut butter, you could use any other seed or nut butter of choice. And I will leave the full measurement down in the description box so you can feel free to check it out. And I'm going to give this a good whisk. And as always, you can substitute what you don't like with what you do like. And here I'm going to go in with some maple syrup. You could use honey or agave if you're vegan. So I'm just going to go in with some maple syrup here. Now I'm going to go in with a little splash of vanilla. Some cinnamon. And here I am using some non-dairy coffee creamer. Guys, you could use milk powder if you have it, or if you're not lactose, you could go ahead and use some milk powder, but I'm using my coffee creamer powder as a substitute here. I'm going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now for my dry ingredients, I have 1 cup of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. And I'm going to mix to combine. Now I'm going to go in with some dried cranberries. Now you could use any dried fruit of choice. You could use raisin or whatever you have on hand, or you could just completely leave them out. And our cookie batter is basically ready, guys. Now it's time to drop and bake these. So here I have a parchment lined pan, and I'm going to use a 1/4 cup scoop to measure my cookies out. You could use an ice cream scoop if you have. We just want these to look uniform. So I'm just going to scoop my cookie batter, and I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 17 minutes. And guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be one of the first person to be notified each time I upload a new video. And also guys, if you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share this video, guys. And there you have it, guys. Breakfast cookie is ready, guys. Who knew you could have cookies for breakfast? This was quick, simple, easy, and also delicious, guys. It's vegan friendly, and trust me, you will definitely be making this for your next breakfast. So guys, let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe and if you would try this recipe. And tell me, guys, do you like to have cookies for breakfast? Okay, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.